Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 17 GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 14 GMT. Finland's industrial confidence at 5 GMT. Finland's consumer confidence will be released at 5 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
A battered dollar is taking another beating as investors, unnerved by fresh signs of an erosion in US central bank independence, waste no time in pushing the greenback back to its lowest level in over 3 years. The price of Pi Network's token has surged by 38% this week, ahead of an expected announcement involving artificial intelligence, fueling chatter about a possible partnership with Google. Oil prices edged higher as crude inventories in the United States fell on higher demand as summer driving season ramped up, while concerns over Middle East supply risks eased, offsetting some gains.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The dollar fell 0.3% against the yen in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the oil gain 0.6% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.